if someone is trying one particular art style, or if someone is trying one particular skill or some talent, and if they fail once or twice, they just give up.
Yeah.
This is not the thing. You have to practice it. You have to be consistent with your art, your patience. Yes, impatience. Yeah, patience is a very big thing. You have to have that patience.
Welcome everyone. This is Kunal here from Motivation Everyday, and today we have Ayushi in the house with us. And she's a hyperrealistic artist, a web developer, a user experience and user interface designer, and a graphic designer. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate your time.
Thank you so much for calling me here. I'm so glad I'm here.
All right, so I think we met almost a year ago, and since then you have attended more than 12 art workshops in 3 years, and that's amazing. I always wondered how you have impacted the way young generation is walking towards art with your hyperrealistic art, and that's something everyone should be inspired from. I really want to know what it was like when you, for the first time, touched a pencil on a blank canvas, because that's something huge. First time, and then attending 12 workshops with your hyperrealistic art. I really want to know about it.
Okay, so initially I was only a school student who just drew to complete her drawing books. और वो भी मुझसे हुआ नहीं जाता था उस टाइम पे. So I started taking art classes just to complete my school books, nothing much. Okay, so तब ना elementary और intermediate examinations we all appear for it, right? So वो I also appeared for it, और in also in elementary also and also in intermediate इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट आया. I got superb results. Even in intermediate examinations, I stood second ranked from all over the Gujarat. So it boosted me up. तब मुझे लगा कि नहीं, तू आर्ट बना सकती है, यू कैन ड्रॉ. उससे पहले आई नेवर थॉट कि आई वुड बी एन आर्टिस्ट, बट फिर भी दैट स्पार्क वाजंट इनफ फॉर मी टू स्टार्ट. So in August 2018, what happened is that जो सर के पास मैं क्लासेस जाती थी just for the school stuff, like I never took any professional training or any artistic training from anywhere. Whatever I'm doing is right now is everything self-taught. Okay, so उस टाइम पे क्या हुआ था कि in August 2018, my sir called me up and he told that he is conducting exhibition for his students, just to find out the hidden potential कि क्या है, like कौन क्या कर सकता है. So I was like, no, I don't want to make my career in art. So
Yeah.
I backed off that time. मैंने सर को बोल दिया था कि no, I don't want to do this. उसके बाद आई गेस सर को पता था कि दैट स्पार्क इज इन मी. सर ने वो स्पार्क शायद तक देखा होगा, तो ही कॉल्ड माय मॉम जस्ट टू इन्फॉर्म कि ये चीज हो रही है एंड योर डॉटर डिनाइड. तो then after what happened that my mom started pushing me, just try it. ट्राई करने में क्या जाता है, जस्ट ट्राई इट. बट आई वाजंट दैट रेडी इनफ. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, आई मस्ट से इन माय जर्नी माय मॉम इज माय बिगेस्ट मोटिवेटर. लाइक अगर मॉम का वो मोटिवेशन उस टाइम पे नहीं होता तो मैं अभी आर्टिस्ट नहीं होती फॉर श्योर. तो वहां पर मम्मा ने मुझे थोड़ा सा पुश किया, बट फिर भी मैं उतना ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट नहीं ले रही थी वो पर्टिकुलर चीज में. तो मम्मा ने स्केचिंग सीखना शुरू कर दिया, just
Okay.
to provide me just to provide me that artistic atmosphere so that I can develop my art. Okay, so she made really beautiful sketches. और उसके बाद मम्मा ने फिर से बोलना शुरू किया कि just try एक आर्टवर्क बना ले. अगर तुझे वो पसंद नहीं आएगा then don't put it into that exhibition. तो I said fine. एंड मैं अपने बिहेवियर की बात करूँ तो मैं पहले ना पूरी सिचुएशन समझ लेती हूँ, एनालाइज कर लेती हूँ, उसके बाद आई गो फॉर एनीथिंग व्हाट आई वांट. ओके, सो मैंने क्या किया, that was my first a big painting, like I can say. तो मैंने उस टाइम पे क्या किया कि I just studied every art forms. एंड माई बिहेवियर, माई पर्सनल बिहेवियर इज लाइक कि मुझे ना हर छोटी छोटी चीज में इंटरेस्ट रहता है. तो मैंने वही सोचा कि why not introduce those छोटे छोटे little things into painting.
Okay.
So yeah, so that summed up to be a hyper realistic painting. वो मैंने पूरा बनाया एंड इट टर्न आउट टू बी अ सुपर अमेजिंग पेंटिंग. और उसके बाद मैंने दूसरा भी बनाया, क्योंकि वो पहले वाले पेंटिंग के अप्रिशिएशन सुन के मैं इतनी मोटिवेट हो चुकी थी कि तब मुझे अब पता चल गया था कि नहीं, ये आर्ट मुझसे हो रहा है. सो
Exactly.
मैंने दूसरा बना दिया. सो वो दो पेंटिंग्स मैंने एग्जिबिट किए नवंबर 2018. दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट एग्जीबिशन. तो तब तो अप्रिसिएशन से लेकर लाइक एवरीथिंग, आई वॉज सो ओवरवेल्म्ड, बिकॉज मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि आर्ट वुड बी पार्ट ऑफ माई जर्नी.
Okay.
एंड नाउ इट इज माई जर्नी, आई कैन से.
So it was
सो
like,
दिस इज स्टार्टेड.
so there was like you first found a teacher who pushed you to do art, and then your mother inspired you to do art. So you met with amazing people in your life that have helped you develop those skills, and then you self-taught yourself how to do hyperrealistic art. I mean, it's something huge. I mean, self-teaching yourself how to do hyperrealistic art, and as you said that it's something people don't generally see artist as a career, artist as a profession. People in India especially that they don't see. तो उन लोगों के लिए कैसा होगा कि वो तुम्हारी जर्नी से सीखे कि एक सेल्फ टॉट आर्टिस्ट जो 2 साल में 12 एग्जीबिशंस कर रहा है, उनके लिए क्या इंस्पिरेशन है तुम्हारी जर्नी से?
ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि आर्ट, यस आई डू बिलीव इन इंडिया पीपल डोंट कंसिडर आर्ट एज अ प्राइमरी सोर्स ऑफ इनकम. They don't consider it as an effective business. But what I want to say is that if you target your audience perfectly, then you will definitely get your orders. Just concentrate on your skills. डोंट लूज आउट एनीवेयर. कहीं पे भी कुछ भी छोड़ो मत. मतलब यूज एवरीथिंग ऑफ योर सेल्फ.
Okay.
Just practice out anyway, right? So just master your skills, I must say. Just master your skills. If your art would be amazing, you will get platform for sure. Because like nowadays what I am looking around is that people who are just doodling roughly or without any motive or anything, and they are calling themselves an artist. I must not say this, but this is the scene. But I don't consider them as so. But yes, I do accept that relying only from art, I mean, relying our income on that only on art is not very enough. I must accept, because in India, people don't consider it as a primary. I mean, people don't give that much importance.
Yeah.
But yes, some part of people, like I already said that target audience,
Yeah.
they do concentrate on it, and they do give the credits and appreciation, and also they buy also, yeah. So you'll get some orders, you'll get good amount of orders if you target your audience. And what I will say is that yes, art is really really of heaven, I must say. And if you are having some other skills also now, so I must say that just nurture those skills also.
Yeah.
Do not go for only painting.
Hmm.
Okay, so no person on this earth is born with only one
Yeah.
skill.
Exactly. That's true.
Yeah,
Now you talked about something.
nurture other skills. Yeah.
You talked about choti details. Now hyperrealism. Hyperrealism is almost putting a live picture on a painting board and calling it a painting. It's almost as if like you're drawing the actual scenery and it should be completely matching, and that's hyperrealism. तो वो छोटी डिटेल्स, कितना पेशेंस चाहिए होता है उनको ड्रॉ करने के लिए, कितना टाइम लगता है उनको ड्रॉ करने के लिए, ये एक बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन है अपने आप में. तो
Yes. Actually, each of my artworks took around 90 hours.
okay.
Like on average, I'm talking. It took around 90 hours to complete from scratch to 100%. Okay. So the thing is that hyperrealistic takes time and patience more of, because in these days people don't have patience. They just keep on
I
running
know.
here and there, and yeah, if someone is trying one particular art style, or if someone is trying one particular skill or some talent, and if they fail once or twice, they just give up.
Yeah.
This is not the thing. You have to practice it. You have to be consistent with your art, your patience. Yes, impatience. Yeah, patience is a very big thing. You have to have that patience. अगर नहीं होता है तो फिर you cannot go for hyper realistic.
I know.
And if you ask that how did I manage to keep this much of patience, then from my experience I would say that that is meditation
Okay.
actually. I do meditate every day, just for mental peace, and yeah, so much of benefits. I don't want to talk about that. So I guess that is the key point for my patience. That is the only thing कि मेरा patience इतना managed है, and I managed to complete all my paintings in 90 to 100 hours. Yeah.
Now, you must not be drawing 90 hours straight away, right? A Go
No,
society
no.
doesn't have 90 hours in a straight row. So, if you talk about days, कि कितने दिन लगे actually उसको draw करने में, तो हफ्ता 10 दिन या महीना कितना time?
नहीं नहीं, लाइक अगर मैं 20 आवर्स को, सॉरी 90 आवर्स को स्लाइस अप कर दूं तो जनरली इन 24 by 30 इंचेस वाली साइज का पेंटिंग कंप्लीट करते हुए मुझे 1 मंथ लग जाता है.
Okay, that's
Yes, because I have to handle all different things also. Like
yeah.
I'm handling much things, so I have to go for that also. I have to dedicate time to that also. And yes, art is my relaxing spot. मैं पेंटिंग तब करती हूँ जब मैं थोड़ा सा मेंटल स्ट्रेस में होती हूँ, या तो
Okay.
फिर कुछ और करने का मन नहीं करता, या तो फिर आई वांट शॉट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस आई कैन से. एट दैट टाइम आई सिलेक्ट डूइंग आर्ट. वो होता है आधी रात का टाइम या फिर अर्ली मॉर्निंग, और दिन में कोई भी लीजर का टाइम. या
Okay. So you're still drawing, right? Even in quarantine, even under lockdown, you're still drawing.
ऑब्वियसली यस.
Yeah. So that was something I wanted to ask. People are asking me how to stay productive during quarantine, how to stay creative during quarantine, how to keep working under quarantine. So even when the world is going through so much chaos, how are you managing your calm and composure? How are you still drawing? How are you still working?
Yeah. I'm honestly, I must say I'm running out of art materials right now because I've used all my art materials in my
Okay.
quarantine time till now. The thing is that see, painting is a thing कि आप कहीं पे भी बैठकर कोई भी आर्ट मटेरियल्स यूज करके कुछ भी बना सकते हो. पेंटिंग इज नथिंग लाइक कि जो ये पर्टिकुलर चीज में ही बनाना है, जैसे कि आपको ऑयल में, आप पहले से ऑयल में कर रहे हो तो जस्ट गो फॉर दैट. नो, आई डोंट सजेस्ट यू दैट. सो I myself tried multiple art styles. I studied multiple art theories. So this served my quarantine well. कि जब जब मैंने ऐसा सोचा कि यार अब like see, quarantine is equal to boredom.
Yeah.
That is what I heard till now, but no, that's not that doesn't hold good for me. That's not the same for me. So मैं लोगों को एडवाइस देना चाहती हूँ कि whenever you feel like boring or anything, just go for art theories.
Okay.
नोटिस करो लेजेंडरी आर्टिस्ट के पेंटिंग्स. उसमें से वो जो नोटिस करने में द जॉय यू गेट ना, it's something amazing. That's something extraordinary. And yes, I do paint in quarantine. Yeah, I like at least 3 days के slack तो like maximum 3 days का slack रहता है, उससे ज्यादा slack नहीं रहता है.
Okay.
And I cannot yeah, I'm not able to manage to paint every day because I'm keeping up with so much of things right now. Already Kunal introduced starting off the video.
Graphic designing,
So
web designing, and all. That's a lot of stuff. You're almost like an all-rounder person with creativity. I mean, web designing, graphic designing, user interface, user experience. That's something huge. Very few people are born with this. I must say that. There was a question from Instagram community that what do you do when you're doing nothing? When you obviously you're not doing nothing anytime, but when you are not drawing, how do you stay engaged at that time?
okay, when you are doing nothing, that means no work, no painting,
Yeah,
nothing,
yeah.
right? So in that leisure time, I just take a break because break is very important to keep yourself creative.
Okay.
You don't have to work 24 by 7, because if you'll do so, you'll run out of creativity, and this happens with everyone. So break is very important to take. So I just sit back and I observe either sky, or I just sit back, I turn on the AC, and okay, nothing, no noise around, no music, nothing. And I just sit back and observe what is going on in my brain.
Okay.
Like what happens is that मेरी आदत क्या है कि मेरे दिमाग में जो चल रहा होता है ना, वहां से आर्ट निकलता है, और मैंने ये पहले से नोटिस किया हुआ है। तो वो चीज ना, इट फैसिनेट्स मी कि मैं मतलब क्रेव करती हूँ कि कब मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइम मिले और आई कैन गिव दैट टाइम टू दिस थिंग। सो आई जस्ट सिट बैक, मैं कुछ सोचती नहीं हूँ। इट्स जस्ट कि वो टाइम पे वो करंट सिचुएशन में मेरे दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, वो थॉट्स को लेकर मैं कुछ भी आर्ट क्रिएट करती हूँ। या तो फिर वो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट होता है, या डूडल होता है, या तो एनाटॉमी होता है। वो सब मैं बाद में करती हूँ। लाइक आई जस्ट create the designs and the thoughts inside my mind, और उसके बाद जब in my leisure time I portray all those things on paper. So I don't do anything in my free time. I just sit back
I mean, this was
and
this was
meditate. Yes,
yeah, this was really good what you said that spending time with yourself, that's really important.
yes,
I
for
mean,
sure.
people don't spend time with themselves and then they say they're running out of creativity, they're running out of time. They spend time watching TV, maybe watching Netflix, and they spend time scrolling it through Instagram and Facebook, but they don't spend time with themselves. And that's something a really pro tip for anyone.
When you connect with
Yeah.
yourself, that's the biggest aesthetics, and the heavenly feeling you get
Yeah.
at that time is something really different. And yeah, also I keep connected to my close friends, because in this generation no one is talking to anyone without any
Yeah.
particular means.
Yeah.
Like obviously everyone are so busy in their own lives, so I don't want that I keep myself busy and I spoil my close friends, or relationships or whatever. So I just give time to them, and family, yes, of course.
Family is important. Yeah. You talked about creativity, and there was one thing that is really related to art only, matlab, basically art, being unique. So, what do you think? If we debate about uniqueness and creativity, what will win?
Your creativity will make you unique.
Yeah.
That's the simple fundamental.
Okay. So, you're talking about
Yeah,
being the best because of your uniqueness.
sure, for sure, for sure.
But when we talk about art, abstract, doodling, these things require creativity. So sometimes what happens is that आप अपने चारों तरफ देखते हो और काफी आर्टिस्ट अच्छी प्रोग्रेस कर रहे होते हैं, तो आपको कभी ऐसा लगता है कि मैं अगर आइडियाज मेरे मेरे में आइडियाज अगर कभी खत्म हो गए तो व्हाट विल आई डू, फियर ऑफ रनिंग आउट ऑफ आइडियाज.
Um, to be honest, I don't have that fear.
ओके.
I don't. Yes, but I do run out of ideas. Every artist do run out of ideas. This is just because your mental stress, or see, the very basic thing is when your mind is stressed, it cannot explore out of the box.
Okay.
And art is everything exploring out of the box.
True that.
So again, I would suggest that take a break. The
Meditate.
break, that particular break will solve everything.
Okay.
Like yes, you will run out of creativity, but that is not something to be demotivated. Or yeah, you just said that अगर तुम दूसरे artist को देखते हो कि they are making a good progress, और उनको देखकर मैं क्या, like what I absorb from them is that पर्सनली मैं किसी और की सक्सेस देखकर अपने अपने से ज्यादा खुश होती हूँ। आई डोंट नो व्हाई, दैट्स माय, आई गेस दैट्स माय बिहेवियर। तो मुझे ये सब, लाइक आई कीप स्टॉकिंग आर्टिस्ट,
Okay.
आई डू, लाइक यस यस, जस्ट बिकॉज कि कैसे वो लोग एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं वो भी देखने के लिए। और सेकेंडली ऑफ कोर्स देयर सक्सेस, और या मेनी थिंग्स एक्चुअली।
I mean, it's basically stalking doesn't really mean stalking when you are just checking out the work, checking out the new ideas,
Exactly,
and then
exactly.
you form your own ideas, and that's important again. So, how has being an artist treated you so far? How the journey has treated you? Was it fruitful? Was it what all the experiences are? Mixed feelings.
I can't say I'm a well I am a well sharpened artist. I
Okay.
can say that. So like I'm every day, I just feel that no, this was worth. इस दिन में मैंने कुछ सीखा. Okay, fine. Like रात को at the end of the day, I don't feel like it was not worth. Okay, इसके लिए ना बहुत सारी चीजें दिन में करने की जरूरत नहीं है. एट द फर्स्ट प्लेस बिकॉज
Okay.
अगर ये चीज मैं बोल रही हूँ तो कोई भी समझेगा तो वही चीज समझेगा कि यू हैव टू वर्क होल डे लॉन्ग टू गेट दिस फीलिंग. नो, दिस इज नॉट, दैट्स नॉट द थिंग.
Okay.
सो द थिंग इज कि लाइक तुम अगर मैं अपनी बात करूँ ना तो बिफोर फ्यू डेज आई टुक अ 2 days ब्रेक. या तो मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया था, बट स्टिल एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई फेल्ट कि नहीं, दिस वाज अ डे. क्यों?
Okay.
Because I created concepts in my mind, because that is how my thought process is. I cannot restrict myself from anything. So जो भी आता है ना, I just keep on absorbing. Like मैं अगर कोई भी चीज देखती हूँ तो I try to absorb good things from them. Like कोई person या तो फिर family हो सकता है, friends हो सकता है, या तो it might be the person you don't like.
Yeah.
But but हर किसी में good things, good behavior या कुछ भी plus points होते हैं, and that is my behavior. I keep on absorbing those things. And if you are at the end of the day, if you are aware about one a little thing also now that which you didn't know before, that's also success.
True that. That was a motivational speech, basically. Another motivational speech I want from you is that a 30-second message for someone who is lacking creativity, lacking passion right now, and want to work under quarantine. Something that you think will benefit the community.
Yeah, for sure. Like if I talk about art, okay, let's not talk about art because I'm talking about general
Yeah.
talents. Okay, like anyone can have a talent of like singing,
True.
dancing, cooking, writing, and so like if we talk about it, so I must suggest you that keep on following what your passion is. Don't come under anyone's pressure means कोई आपको बोलने नहीं आने वाला है कि ये चीज मत करो. But in terms of pressure, I'm talking about the thing is कि अभी क्या हो रहा है कि people who have started new things in this quarantine. I have noticed much many people जो लोग पहले कुछ कर नहीं रहे थे. I mean पहले they were into their professional lives only, but in this quarantine they started knowing about their own hidden skills कि वो
True.
लोग में वो लोग भी ये चीज कर सकते हैं. And now they are doing that particular thing and they are putting it up on Instagram or any social media, and the number of likes and comments decides that how that particular art is. That's not the point. This
Yeah.
pressure is the real pressure I'm talking about. Do not get under pressure of any number of likes, number of comments, or people's criticism, because say criticism is something that लोग एक बार बोलेंगे, अगर वही चीज को तुम यूज कर लोगे ना, then you use that particular thing as a stepping stone. उसी पे चढ़ के आप आगे बढ़ जाओ, तो दूसरी बार वो बंदा तुम्हें बोलने नहीं आएगा, because वो particular चीज में you are now skilled.
True.
So that is the thing that अगर कोई भी कुछ भी follow कर रहा है, like obvious is starting में no one is going to master anything in first throw.
Yeah.
So you have to practice, and please don't rely on social medias because people are there to kill us actually.
Yeah, that's what
Okay.
people are doing. They are seeking validation in the form of number of likes, number of views, number of impressions, number of comments, and
Wrong.
that's not a deciding factor in the end. What
Art
who yeah,
is art is something which comes from within.
yeah,
If you like that thing, go for it.
yeah,
Okay, you are posting, it's your choice, but don't rely on number of likes and comments.
Yeah.
Because see, art, who is an artist? Because artist is someone that he is having a good skill,
yeah,
and plus a nice thought, a framed thought behind what he or she is doing. Okay, so to be an artist, it's not important to paint extraordinary or legendary. It can be even a simple painting, but the thought and perspective behind that particular painting should be strong.
yeah,
These are also artists, but this is the core thing which people don't understand these days, and they keep on criticizing people who are creating those type of art. They just the people on Instagram, they just see the art piece,
Yeah,
not the perspective
the
behind
thought
that art.
process. Yeah,
So yes, so I request everyone to just study about the perspective and the motive behind every artwork of an artist.
yeah.
That is what an artist. Artwork don't define.
That was amazing. I mean, I was talking to you and I felt like, yeah, I can do this too. I mean, if I improve my thought process and if I meditate,
Of course,
yeah,
everyone is an artist.
yeah, everyone is an artist. You talked about it. I really appreciate your time. I really appreciate your talent, hard work, and the perseverance that you had in these years working through the exhibitions. And I can't wait to meet you. It's been a year now. I hope the lockdown is lifted.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, thank you so much for being here. It was nice talking to you.
Thank you so much. I'm so much happy to come here.
Yeah, all the best with your future exhibition. I'm sure that you must have it lined up.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously it was lined up, but now everything is crashed. So I
Uh,
have to come up with something new after this lockdown gets over, obviously. And even now also I'm providing online things, and
okay.
you can see on my profile like some time lapse videos
Okay.
from which you can learn also. And if you want to learn more, then contact me, please.
Yeah, sure. I'll be putting down the links of your page in the description of this video, and make sure you guys check her work out. She has got amazing skills in art. Hyperrealistic art is something very rare to be found. And all the best with your future.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching this interview with Ayushi. And if you're looking for ways to stay calm in this pandemic and you need help with meditation, make sure you check out my previous interview with Tina Baknowitz.
I called the doctor and I was like, I need help. And, he actually thought I was homeless because I looked that bad.